Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Jaykurdi. I hope you're all fine and I hope you're all having a very nice day. If you're watching this, it's a very good thing for you. So the word very is used a lot in the daily conversational English, which is kind of boring. You sound boring if you use the word very lots of times when you're conversing. So today I'm gonna share with you a bunch of other adjectives when you want to describe a situation or something instead of using the word very. Don't just say very, no very anymore. Use advanced vocabularies, advanced adjectives instead of the word very. You ready, guys? Let's rock and roll. Let's jump in. The first one, what could we say instead of very scared? I'm very scared of snakes. I am very scared. We can simply use petrified. Petrified. I am petrified of snake. It means very scared of snakes. Petrified. Very scared. Nope. Petrified. Very scared. Petrified. Okay, that was one. What could we say instead of very cold? What could we say rather than saying very cold? We could say freezing. Yes, the weather is freezing. I am freezing. The weather is freezing. Zor sarda. Zor sarda. Freezing. That was two. And the third one, what could we say instead of very interesting? This is very interesting. We could say fascinating. 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 Very interesting becomes fascinating. Don't just use very interesting. Sometimes use fascinating to sound smarter. Alright? When someone is very open to you, he's very open to you, he tells you all what is there to know. He's very open. He's like this. You can say he is transparent. Transparent. He is transparent. I am transparent. Thanks for being transparent with me. Don't just say thanks for being very open with me. Thanks for being transparent with me. Transparent. Okidok. Very big. Enormous. Enormous. Or gigantic. Gigantic. This building is very big. This building is gigantic. You see the difference? You don't use very a lot, but instead you describe the thing as it is. You give the whole value to the thing. Cool? Okay. Very honest. Very honest. Zor razgo. Frank. Thanks for being very honest with me. Thanks for being frank with me. Honestly speaking, frankly speaking. Very honest, frank. Very rich. When someone has lots of money. Very rich. We can say prosperous. Prosperous. This is a prosperous city. This is a prosperous city. Prosperous or wealthy. He's a wealthy guy. Wealthy guy. Very rich, wealthy or prosperous. Cool? Okay. When you go to a place and it's very crowded, you can see lots of heads and people there. What could you say instead of very crowded? Cramped. Cramped area. Cramped. The elevator was just cramped. Cramped instead of very crowded. Cramped. Okay, doc. And the last one would be very interesting. Oh, I just used the word very. I'm sorry. The last one is fascinating. When we want to give compliments to something, we say very good. I saw a very good movie last night. The lesson was very good. So instead of saying very good, we can use other words like splendid, brilliant. That was a brilliant idea. Very good idea. Brilliant. Excellent idea. That was terrific. That was terrific. Great. You're a great person. You're a great person. You're a great man. Very good man. Wonderful. 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 So this time, instead of using the word very quite a lot, so I have two challenges for you before I say bye-bye to you. Challenge number one. I challenge you to use these vocabularies as of today. As of now. It just doesn't come to me. کارە جەماعەت ئەو وشانەدان پێتان لە جیاتی very بەكاربهێنن لە جیاتی بڵێ very بۆ ئەوەی زۆر بۆڕینگ نەبێت قسەکردنەکانت ئەو وشانە بەكاربهێنن و وشە یەکجار زۆر هەیە لە شوێنی کە لە ڤیدیۆیەکە وەری بگرە. دوو چالنجم بۆت هەیە. چالنج یەکەم ئەو وشانە بەكاربهێنە لە جیاتی وشەی very بۆ ماوەیەک لەم دقەیەوە. Okay? Very good. Oh, splendid. And number two, challenge number two. ئەو وشانەی کە تازە پێم وتی ئەو ئەجێکتیڤانەی تازە پێم وتی هەر یەکەیان بکە ڕستەیەکەوە و لە کۆمێنت بینوسە. Yeah, this is a challenge. Would you take it? بیکە ناو ڕستەوە. هەر یەک لەو وشانەی پێم وتی petrified, fascinating, splendid, excellent, prosperous, and blah 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 blah. Okay? See you next time. Bye bye for now.